Hello and welcome to another episode of Tatture. I am Jat, and today we will be painting a biblically accurate angel. I made a painting several years ago for an ornate frame that was given to me. The painting was a night scene of a cabin in the forest. At the time I made it, I was very happy with this picture, but other people saw it as uneasy or depressing. So now, I've decided to freshen it up a bit, as well as give the frame a new look. Let's begin. I had been seeing some interesting images of angels on social media recently. Some depictions show the angels with one big eye surrounded by smaller ones, and I just wanted to know how the Bible actually describes them. Basically, the Bible describes the seraphim as six-winged beings with two wings covering the feet and two covering the head, with one set to fly with. So that is what I will create. To add the Tatture style, I will be depicting the feathers as bladed forms that reflect the colors of the rainbow. Painting the feathers white will make it easier for me to gradually shade each wing individually. I imagined my seraph floating in space, so I am adding stars and galaxies around the angel. I received the frame with some of the detail work missing. It must have been hit at some point, so I used a 2-part epoxy putty to form the parts of the frame that were missing. To add a bit of life to this frame, I am painting it a dark teal and adding gold to the trim for contrast. Now that all the finishing work is done, I am setting the picture back in its frame, and now let's see the final result.